Hello students, I am Aniket Karsh and today in Value Education we are going to start lesson 4. The name of the lesson is Punishment for Disloyalty. So we know the meaning of disloyalty, right? If we are not loyal to somebody, then it is disloyalty. Um, we are no disloyalty means nobody can if I am disloyal, nobody can trust me. Nobody will trust me on me. Okay. So punishment. What should be the punishment for disloyalty? So you are understanding the title. So let's see what is there in this story. Um, Once a fierce battle was fought between the animals and the birds. There was a battle between the animals and the birds. The bat, you know what is bat? Bat means in Hindi we call chamgadad, I think, right? So the bat favored the birds. So as they were fight between the animals and birds, right? So the bat favored the birds. The bat favored the birds. Uh, the bird were badly defeated in the first battle, right? First battle means there may be a second battle also. So in the first battle, what happened? The birds were badly defeated. Means who won? Obviously, animals won. On on seeing the battle going against the birds, as birds were defeating, the bat flew away. As bat were supporting the birds, as they saw that birds were defeating. So what they did? They flew away and hid himself until the battle was over. They hide somewhere, till the battle is over. As they saw the birds were, defeating, so they immediately hide somewhere and they were waiting for the battle to be over, right? When the battle got over, all the animals began moving evenly towards their home. Okay, after the battle is over, all the animals were moving to their home, right? The bat also joined the animals, right? The bat who was supporting home, the birds, right? Now they joined the animals when animals were returning after the battle to their home. The bat joined them, right? Now, while while moving down the road, animals suddenly noticed the bat. As bat joined their group, so animals noticed. They asked one another, "Who is this? Who is this?" The animals in a group, they asked each other, "Who is this? Who is this?" Then one of the animals said, "He is a bat. He has fought against us and is one of them." Means as they supported to the bird, so one of the animal, as they were discussing, one of them among the animal told this, he is a bat and he has fought against us. Means this bat supported the birds. The bat, on hearing this, the bat quickly replied, "No, I do not belong to birds. I am one of you. I am not a bird." The bird, what bird said or replied? "I am not a bird. I am one of you. Have you seen a bird having teeth and hair?" Right? "I am one of the animal and I do not belong to the birds." Means the now this bat is saying that I am belong to the animals. I am having a teeth and hair, so I belong to bird. Sorry, I belong to animal, and I am among you, right? As they are showing that we are in favor of you, we are supporting you. The animal allowed the bat to stay with them without replying anything. So on hearing this, the animal thought, okay, leave whatever has happened. Okay, leave it, and they did not said anything. And means what? They agreed. Okay, you are among us. Okay, okay, like that. Okay, now so after I am among the animals allowed to bat to stay with them without replying anything. After the passage of 2 weeks, now 2 weeks passed, another battle took place. This time, the bird won the battle. Again, the battle took place after 2 weeks. and bat has taken the side. Now after the this battle, in the first battle, birds supported the sorry, bat supported the birds, and as birds defeated, they joined animals. And now again the second battle, started after 2 weeks, and this time who won? Birds won the battle. As the bat's side was getting defeated, as now this in second battle, bats were fighting from whose side? From among this animal side, right? And they saw that animals are defeating. He slipped away. Means again they hide out, or they slipped away, and again he hid under a log, right? They they you know as they saw that animals are defeating, so they you know went away and hide. Now as the birds began to move towards their home after the battle. Now the battle is over, so birds were returning to their home. They saw the bat moving along with them, right? So the birds became very angry at the sight of the bat, as they as what the birds were thinking. Okay, in first battle he fought from our side, and now in the second battle he fought from animal side. Now the as animals defeated in the second battle, again they he joined us side. So they angrily told the bat, "You are fighting against us. You are not our friend. You are our enemy." Right? So, on hearing this, the this bat replied. The bat said, "Oh no, I am not of you. Oh no, I am one of you. I do not belong to the animals. Have you ever seen any animal that has a wings?" As the bat is a kind of a mammal. It is having a teeth, hairs, as well as wings also, right? So that's why he said, "Have you ever seen any animal that has wings?" The birds did not reply. They let him stay with them. Again they thought, okay, leave it. Okay, they not argued, and okay, they agreed. Means they had not replied anything. Now they let him stay with them. Okay. The bat went back and forth as long as the battle continued. The bat went back and forth as long as the battle continued. Again, whenever the battle, takes place, it this bat always supported, the uh, the group, or the 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 particular side who is winning or who won, right? They leave that whoever defeated and join the group who always who wants, right? So this happens in case of this bat. They never decide. They only decides on the situation, on the basis of the situation. Who is winning, I should join to that group. So you can understand. You can think of it in your situation also. We should. Is it right to join only to those groups if two groups are there in your school or in your college, and you are always supporting, you are changing the groups again and again on the basis of the dominance, right? Who the group who is having a dominance, or who is having a more powerful, so you are joining that group only, right? So this is not correct, right? You have to always support your friend. Okay. The bat went back and forth as long as the battle continued. When the battle got over, once the all battles over, the bird and the animals appointed a council to punish the bat for his disloyalty. As bat were not, loyal to any group, they were always disloyal, right? On the basis of the group who is winning, they always joined that one. Together they pronounced, on as they together after all the battles were finished, this animals and this birds, they together pronounced, "From now onwards you will fly around alone at night." What punishment they had given to this bat? Now onwards you will fly around alone at night. No one will be your friend, neither from the group that can fly or nor from those that can fly. No, now what they said, these two groups means what? Animals and birds group. They told that your punishment is that now onwards you have to fly around all alone all at night, right? No one will be your friend, not from the land who is walking like that of animal. No animal will be from your side, and no any bird is in your side. No bird is your friend, right? So this was the punishment given to the bat. Okay, that will be your punishment for being disloyal. That is why you see the bat flying alone at night. You have seen the bats, right, at night, as it flies alone, right? So this was the punishment, okay, given by these two groups together on on being disloyal to disloyal on the basis of disloyalty of the this bat. Okay, now what is the moral of this story? Loyalty may involve sacrifice, right? Even if your friend is defeating, you should support him only, right? Because he needs you, he trusts you. So you should also show loyalty to your friend, right? So loyalty may involve sacrifice. So I am expecting that you understood this lesson. Now let's see what all things are given in the exercise. So first is multiple choice questions. Where did the bat hide himself when the animal side was getting defeated? In a cave, under a chair, in a hole, under a log. Under a log, right? In the second battle, when in the first battle animals won, right? In the second battle, animals side was getting defeated, and this time these bats were supporting animals. So they hide themselves under a log. Okay, it is given. What did the birds and the animals punish the bat for? For being disloyalty. For being disloyalty. He got the punishment for his disloyalty. For being disloyal. Whose side did the bat take in the beginning? In the beginning, to whom they supported? Bat supported birds. In the first battle, they fought from the bird side, right? Against the animals. Whose side did the bat take in the beginning? Which features did the bat talk about while discussing himself from the bird? Distinguishing. Which features did the bat talk about while distinguishing himself from the bird? So, what he said when he was distinguishing, I am not a bird. As have you seen any bird who is having a teeth and hair, right? Teeth and hair. The bat is having a teeth and hair. So what bat replied? Do you have any bird having a teeth and hair? So I am from your side. That is from the animal side. In this way, he was distinguishing himself from the bird. So the answer is both teeth and hair. So the D, both A and B, right? And whose side? यहाँ पे हमने bird. Whose side did the bat take in the beginning? Bird. Okay. So this are the answers of the multiple choice questions. Now next is question and answer. True and false, right? So let's see this. True and false. The bat convinced the bird that he had wings, so he was one of them. That he had wings. In the first battle, in the second battle, when the animals defeated, then again bat went to the birds and joined their group by saying that he had wings. Is it true? Yes, true. The bat convinced the birds that he had wings, so he was one of them. True. The council of bird and animals decided to give reward to the bat. Reward to the bat. No, false. Not reward. It's a punishment, right? The bat was disloyal. True. Yes, bat was disloyal in this story. In the second battle, the birds were defeated. In the second battles, the birds were defeated. False. In the first battle, bird were defeated. In the second battle, they won. Right? So true, false, true, false. Now next, name the two opponents in the war. The two opponents were the birds and the animals. Birds and the animals. Two opponents here. These two were fighting. Birds and animals. Right? What punishment did the bat get? Who gave it? The committee of both animal and birds gave punishment to the bat, and what was the punishment? That the bat will fly alone in at night. Okay. What did the bat do as the war went on? Whenever the war went on, the bat always hide themselves. Yeah, means always take the side of the when but what does this bat do whenever they fought for any group, when that group is defeated or in the way to defeat it, they always hide themselves. They went out from the wall and joined the other group after some time. After the battle is finished, they join to the other group. Why did the bat say he belonged to the bird side? They say they belong to the bird side because they are having wings, right? What is the moral of this story? The moral of this story is that, what is the moral of this story? In the moral of this story we have seen in the end of this lesson. Let me show you. See, loyalty may involve sacrifice. This is the moral of the story, right? Now, next, okay, fill in the blanks, right? Fill in the blanks with the correct words given in the box. Wait a minute. Let me. See. So a fierce battle was fought between the dash and the dash. Between the birds. So here birds and the animals. Okay. The fight was between the birds and the animals. So this both are 1A and 1B. Okay. Now, 1A and 1B. Right. The bat was punished for being what? Disloyal. Okay, for being disloyal. So second answer is disloyal. The bird won the second battle. Obviously, battle. The dash went back and forth as long as the battle lasted. The bat went back and forth. Means again and again changing the group. So this is the fourth answer. Bat. Understood? Now next, activity. What all activities are there? Tick the words phrases that represent loyal in a one way or the other. So this you can do of your own, but let me give you the example. Please tick the words or phrase that represent loyal in one or the other. So traitor means what? Is it? No, traitor is not. Traitor means what? Dhokebaz. Traitor. To stand up for. Yes, this is true. Right? To stand up for. If you're for your friend, you're standing, right? So you have a stand towards your friend from your friend side. So this is correct. Okay, this is the supporting loyalty. To be part of, this is also to be part of some group. You are supporting it. This is also loyalty. True, be true to. To be true to be true to. किसी के लिए you are true for somebody. Your faithfulness is also, and this spy is not. Spy, you are spying on someone. So these four are what? synonym we can say, or the word or phrase which is supporting the loyalty. Okay, now next activity, what is it? Explain the quotation loyalty may involve sacrifice. Either draw or paste a picture related to this topic and justify how it resembles the quotation. Okay, loyalty may involve sacrifice. What do you understand by this term? Draw or paste. Draw or paste one picture related to it, in which loyalty may involve sacrifice, and what that picture or drawing is depicting. That also write few lines of it on it. Okay, or some quotation. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.